This video provides step-by-step guidance enabling all landowners and land tenants to join the Wild East movement through the submission of a WildEdge pledge on the Land app. Stage 1. Getting started. To start your WildEdge process, you'll need to create a free Land app account. You'll only need an email and a password to get started. Once you've registered, you'll need to log into your Land app account and create a new map. Once you're finished, this can be found again in the Maps dashboard. Once you've created this new map, head up to the top right-hand corner of your screen and select the Buy Data icon. Once you've selected this, you'll see a pop-up on the left-hand side of your screen. Of the options available, choose the free WildEdges dataset. Once you've selected this WildEdges button, you'll be asked to define your purchase area. Stage 2. Defining your purchase area. In this section, we will be running through two workflows. While they are similar, there are some subtle differences that you may need to pay attention to. Firstly, we are looking at the workflow if you want to run all the edges within your SBI number. This workflow is much more general. Firstly, you'll need to define your purchase area. You can do this by choosing the Create a Frame button and ensuring that the red box that appears on your screen is covering the total area in which your SBI number is located. You don't have to be specific about this, and your red box can cover all of England if needed. Secondly, we move on to selecting a intersect setting. You're going to want to set this to whole features. Thirdly, you're going to give your project a name. This will be the name used for the data layer produced. Fourthly, you'll need to enter the holding's 9-digit single business identifier number, or SBI. Once you've entered this number, you select the Buy Now button, which should now be accessible to click. We'll now move on to the second slightly different workflow if you are only using a section of your farm or estate rather than the entirety of the estate. Firstly, define your purchase area by either using an existing project in which you can have selected certain parcels that you wish to run your WildEdges on, or again, you can choose the Create a Frame button. This time you'll have to be a little bit more specific about where the red box is covering, as you'll only want it to cover the section of the farm or estate that you wish to be included within your WildEdge. Then you can choose either intersecting setting. Whole features will retain all complete features, even ones that stray outside of your defined red box area. Or you can choose the Cut Features button, which will cut all the features that stray outside of this purchase area. The following steps are the same. Give your project a name, add in an SBI number, and select the green Buy Now button. Once you have successfully defined your purchase area, you'll receive a pop-up message. Choose the Back to My Map option. The Land app is now creating your WildEdge. This can take up to 45 seconds, but don't worry if nothing happens straight away. You might just need to refresh your Land app web page. Stage 3. Understanding your WildEdge. Once your Land Management Plan WildEdge project has been generated, you'll see all of your predicted WildEdges. At this stage, this is just an estimation, and therefore it can be edited, deleted, or enhanced manually. The purple shapes are H3 dense scrubs. These are areas where your hedges could be widened by 3 metres on each side through natural regeneration. For example, moving fence posts out 6 metres wide. The orange shapes are C1A, or arable field margins, areas that are ideal for establishing a margin of sorts. Finally, the green shapes are G, grassland, areas where tussocky grasses are encouraged to protect existing watercourses, such as ponds, rivers, and ditches. These can be replaced by the code W, or woodland. You can interact, add, or take away any of the codes entered into the WildEdge. Any of these shapes can be edited as you wish to better reflect your WildEdge pledge. Stage 4. Editing your WildEdge. If you want to take away a WildEdge that's been added, you will need to do so through the LandApp's merge function. You can merge features together if you want to remove an area assigned to the WildEdge. Do this by clicking on the main field parcel that borders your unwanted WildEdge. Once you've clicked on this main field parcel, then hold down Shift on your keyboard before selecting the WildEdge feature you wish to remove. This should allow both the main field and the WildEdge to be selected at once. Once both shapes have been highlighted in this way, head up to the top of your screen and choose the Merge button, which is just to the right of the scissors button, to combine these two shapes. Once you have merged these two features together, it should remove your WildEdge and you should be left with the original main field parcel. As well as merging and removing WildEdges away, you can also enhance them. You can add features using the LandApp's various drawing functions. Some of the actions that you can create are draw a shape to add your own WildEdge. You could split a WildEdge by using the scissors button, or you could add a new buffer by using the buffer tool. Stage 5. Pledging your WildEdge. Once you're happy with the design of your pledge, you're ready to share it with WildEdges' Map of Dreams. Firstly, you'll need to visit the sharing settings at the top right of the screen. This is the little person with the plus next to their head. Secondly, add My Pledge at wildedges.co.uk into the Add Collaborators section. That's My Pledge at wildedges.co.uk. Once you've added in this email, change the permission type to Publisher. Once you have changed the permission type to Publisher, hit Add Viewer. You've finished. This pledge has been made to WildEdges' Map of Dreams. Now, it can take up to 48 hours before your pledge is visible on our map, as the team needs to check it before it goes live. But if you need any more support in the meantime, please visit either the LandApp help and support page on our website, or you can visit the www.wildedges.co.uk/contact website page for more support. Thank you very much for watching this video, and good luck with your WildEdge.